Break out the wave runners, dust off the motorcycles, and take the tracks off your ATV. It's time to get prepared for summer. If you didn't change your oil before winter arrived, now's the time to do it. Oil is commonly left in your machine all winter long, and a fresh riding season demands fresh oil. Start off your summer prep properly by picking up a Yamalube oil change kit and get the job done at home. Can you hear your wave runner calling now that temperatures are rising? Add to the soundtrack to summer and the rev of your engine with Yamaha's all-new waterproof Bluetooth audio packages. And for you land lovers out there that want to roam all day and night on your Yamaha, pick up a set of lights for added confidence and improved visibility while riding. To see all the accessories that can help you conquer summer, visit yamaha-motor.ca or visit your local Yamaha dealer. And always remember, the genuine Yamaha parts and accessories are the perfect fit for your Yamaha. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and check the links in the description to see all the products mentioned in this video.